Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can edit pictures using CapCut. Okay, so this is my CapCut application, so I'll tap on it and I open it. So when I open my CapCut, I'll come and tap on new project here. Okay, so I'll tap on new project. Okay, so when I tap on new project, what I want to do is very simple. Come and tap on the photos here. Okay, the photos section. So I'll choose a photo I want to edit. I'll edit this photo here. Okay, so after tapping on it, after selecting it, come and tap on the add option here. Okay, so this is our photo we are going to edit. Okay, so in order for us to edit this photo, come and tap on the photo here, just in the timeline. Tap on it once. Okay, like that. Okay, so when you tap on it once, these are the options you're going to be having. Okay, and as you can see, the edit option is over here. So I'll tap on this edit option. Okay, so if at all I want to crop it, okay, I can tap on the crop. So I'll crop it to this size so that I can remove the car this side. Okay, so when I'm done cropping, I'll tap on this tick. Sorry, when I'm done cropping, I'll tap on this tick here. Okay, this tick in the bottom right corner. Okay, so you're done cropping. If at all you want to also mirror it, the mirror option is over here. Okay, so when I mirror it, it can change. That's also an edit I'm doing. If I want to rotate it, the rotate option is here. Okay, so I can even rotate it upside down. Okay, so long as it's what you want. Okay, so that's how basically you can edit photos using CapCut. If you want, you can even put some effects here. Okay, all these you can use them in your editing. Okay, so if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing and we shall meet in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.